Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2010 Harley-Davidson ELECTRA Glide Ultra Classic. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2010 Harley-Davidson ELECTRA Glide Ultra Classic with 36,232 miles runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control and a multifunction 4-speaker audio system. It's been upgraded with a tinted windshield, front fender rails, an open stage 1 intake, an LED headlight, LED passing lamps, a luggage rack, and Reinhardt mufflers. Powered by a 96 cubic inch V-twin engine, the ELECTRA Glide puts 92 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the ELECTRA Glide has a 200 to 250 mile range. It has a 30.7-inch seat height and a 906-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this ELECTRA Glide will need new front rotors, a quieter exhaust, and passenger handholds. Please expand and read the mechanical condition report for a full list of concerns. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear at 530 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the suspension is soft, and the exhaust pops on deceleration, and there is a front brake pulsation as well. Additionally, there's a leak at the rear rocker box, the shift shaft seal, and the inner primary. The exhaust is missing baffles, the horn needs tuning, and the front rotors are warped. This bike has rear lowering blocks. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a tear on the passenger seat, paint flaking from the hinge on the trunk, and a blemish on the upper fairing. This bike has 2 keys and 2 fobs, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.